Alright, so with the clips that I just deleted, I've started to take apart the 3 daikon inverters, well 2 of them actually. As you can see with the fan grills here, my screwdriver right there. Yep. Now it's time to get the 3rd one out. But I'm going to try to get that one and that one on the deck so I can work with them. Because with this small space, there's a lot of bugs over here and stuff like that. So I'm going to get that one out and I'm going to see if I can get the first one on the deck. Alright everyone, so the 3rd one is definitely the worst one of them all. This unit is definitely the dirtiest one of them all, and he's back. Jesus. The bee is back. Yeah, fly over there. You dipshit. I really need to get these things on the deck because I need to see if these things are actually good. Because this one might not actually work. But we're going to find out how here in a second. So I'll be back. Okay, viewers, so I got the screws off the top of the unit. So now alright. There we go. Nothing jumped out at me. And nothing's on the bottom of the pan here, so we could put this on top of the first unit and we could take a look at this one here, which on the inside it's not really that bad. This is kind of coming off. This is definitely the worst unit of them all, I gotta say. But let's see if I can take the front panel off this one. I'll be back. Alright everyone, so I got all the screws off the front panel and the fan guard. Now I just gotta get this one right here. Alright everyone, I'm done for the day. I need to get my screwdriver though. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Aha. And I'll see you guys in part 3 tomorrow. So